Hey guys, it's your girl Daria, here to shoot an AR-15 today. Pretty excited about all of this. Gotta load this, because you know, Colonel says if you can't load your own gun, then you can't shoot it. So, you know, gotta do the work. I'm pretty excited though, because I've never shot an AR-15 before. So this is gonna be pretty exciting. Oh boy. There we go. Okay. All right, you guys, here we go. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. This is awesome. Dang it, they're all gone. Alright you guys, well, you know, thanks for having me on your channel. Make sure you check out mine. There's going to be a link at the bottom. Just click it, subscribe, show some love, share, like, comment. We'd love to hear from you guys. Thank you.
Hey guys, this is your girl Bobby Banth and I'm here today to shoot the AR-15. It's my first time and I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous. I might pee my pants, I might cream my pants, I don't know. So we'll see how it goes. That was awesome, but I think there's something wrong with what I was doing. I think next time I might take off this bikini. It's making me a little warm, but I like to show a little more skin for you guys.
Hi guys, it's Cambria. This is gonna be my first time shooting an AK-47 ever. Heavy gun, so I'm in the prone position so that my arms don't give out. And we'll see how much I like this bad boy. Oh my god. It's terrifying, but I love it. I love that smell right after you fire one too. Probably sounds weird, but. No, I think I might be out. Yep. Out of ammo. That was definitely probably the first time I've actually really felt the recoil of a gun. And it didn't feel bad. It just reminds you of how powerful it is to have this in your hands. You know, understand that it's not, you know, yeah, it's fun, but it's really not a toy. And a lot of people, I don't think, understand that. So, yep, I recommend shooting one at least once in your life. You'll love it. I mean, or if you hate it, then you can tell me you hated it too, but at least, I would at least try it. I highly recommend it. It's fun, it's powerful, and as always, you know, stay safe. If you like what you see, you want to keep watching and see more, click the link below, hit subscribe, hit like, tell me your comments, tell me your questions, and I'll see you next time.
Sweet!
God, I love this.
Hey guys, it's your girl Julia coming at you again. Got an AR-15, my first assault rifle. I'm so excited to shoot this. So let's see what she can do. So loud. Oh, that's nice. That's power right there. I'm liking this one. Do I look cool? Girl in a bikini with an assault rifle? That's how I go to the beach now. This is so cool. I love the echo. That's it for this one. That was pretty fun. Thank you so much for watching. I had so much fun. Come back, see me again. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave me a comment, please. Thanks so much.